as a teacher, instead of saying study this chapter, instead of saying study this chapter. Okay, as a teacher, I'm telling, hey, study this chapter, man. Don't tell like that. Don't tell that. This chapter will help you clear interviews and to build your career. This chapter is very important, man. Very important. Very important. Okay. So for your interviews, to get the job, like automatically, then the student is going to tell. Suppose in my regular sessions, morning to evening, 10 hours, 12 hours, I'm taking the session. 2 days, Saturday, Sunday. Have you remembered, right? The people who attended my SCJP sessions, SCJP sessions, Saturday, Sunday, 7 to 1:30, evening 4 to 9, every day. Whenever I'm taking, array, I'm going to explain. I'm going to tell the most important question. Compulsory this question should be there in your interview room. That much important point I'm going to tell. If I use this word, immediately the person who is sleeping also, immediately is going to wake up and is going to take that point. What is the reason? Because I told that it is very helpful for you for the interview room. Then immediately is going to wake up. Array, next 3 points, most valuable man, better to take. Really, these things are going to be very helpful to change your life. Then obviously, so even he has somewhere, his mind is somewhere also, suddenly will come to the class and then he's going to take. Okay? So make sure, always think about opposite person, what they require. What they require. Okay? That we require to provide. What I have, what I can do, these kind of things are nonsense. Mobile example, have you remembered, right? A customer came to buy a mobile. One shop wala is always telling, "Arey, we had this, and so on." But second shop wala asked, "Sir, what exactly your requirement? For which purpose you are going to use this mobile? For YouTube video creation." Then immediately that person told, "Oh, multiple YouTubers are going to use this one only, sir. Best quality video is going to come. Best easy to edit the video. Like everyone is doing so and so, sir. Yesterday also 2 YouTubers came. This is the thing they took. Like definitely this customer is going to buy from the second shop. Correct, right? Where is the difference? The same mobile is there here also. Based on opposite person requirement, this person tuned. That thing must be recorded. What they require. Based on that, your activity should fulfill their requirement. Obviously, your work is going to be completed.